Hello, everyone. I have a question for you. Have you been looking for the right massage therapy chair and you spent countless of hours looking and scrubbing YouTube, which just got you more confused? That was me. And then I finally selected something. So what I'm going to do today is go through the one that I selected and why, and we're going to do this together. Hi everyone, my name is Diana V, and I am currently a massage therapy student, and I was looking for something that I could get before I graduated that was going to be comfortable, high end, something that I could possibly use in a corporate setting. I didn't want the little cheap ones. I wanted to go ahead and get something that was professional grade, because you might as well, if you're going to do something, do it well, right? So I'm going to share with you that selection, and hopefully you guys can join me on my journey on some of the things that I'm going to do. I'm going to cover all things massage. So I'm going to be covering the equipment, my massage school journey, and some of the business strategies I hope to employ as I grow. So please feel free to subscribe with all bell notifications on. And without further ado, spoiler alert, from the title you can see I selected the Stronglite Ergo Pro 2. And I hope that this video is helpful for those people that were struggling like I was when I was scouring YouTube to find a nice product. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and get my let's see. Here we go. Gotta have this. Here's the box. There you go. Brand new. I was waiting to unveil this with you guys, all right? So, without further ado, let's do this. The box comes really nice, looks, has handles on there, and we're just gonna open this up. Okay. There you go. There you go. All right, we're gonna do a little side swipe on this. So okay, came in a nice little sack, as you can see. It's pretty light. Well, you can't see that it's pretty light, but I'm telling you, it's pretty light. They say it's 26 pounds. So that's pretty light. They say it can handle up to 600 pounds. And I selected the nice little blue, kind of neutral there. 600 pounds. And they say it can handle people with heights of 4'6" to 6'6". So that encompasses pretty good heights. All right, let's see. And I'm going to tell you, I had been kind of between the Oakworks Pro, and there was another one from what was it? Massage Master. And then there was one called Dolphin. Now this one retails at like, I got it for like 400 and I don't know, it was 29. Anyway, it was like $491 after taxes. The Oaks Works is like $520 gross. And then the Massage Master is like $4.99, and the Dolphin is like $800. So that's, I wasn't gonna do that. So as you can see, it has some nice packaging, nice and simple. This is the cover, it looks like. Okay. The little logo. So nice, simple design. Check that out. And this is etched in. So that's quality. I like that. That's kind of high class. All right. This is the headrest right here. Appears to be nice and cushy. All right. And here we go with the main event. I'm going to tell you why I had selected this. So I was watching YouTube. I'm always watching YouTube. And I was going through the videos, and I was like, I almost got the Oakworks because the reputation, they've been doing massage equipment for a long time. But there was a video that I watched from Massage World. You guys got to check it out. If you're a massage therapy student, definitely subscribe. They do Massage World videos, and you get a lot of good ideas. But in this one, it was like an after video where it's like ASMR with one of the champions, Chad Armstrong from Massage Ninja. And he was doing a massager, I guess, on a therapist. And he did this one thing with this piece of equipment, and I was sold after that. I was sold. I'm like, I'm going to try it for myself. And he lifted the gal up, and I said, oh, this is durable. The Oakworks had some cables, and I'm like, I don't know about these cables. Okay, so this is the chest rest. So they go in, right? And it has some Velcro. All this is Velcroed. So far, so good. Seems like good quality. Okay. And let's see here. Comes with the cradle. Oh, I like this. Look at this. I'm going to show you. Look at that, the emblem. That's nice. That's a nice touch. The reason I decided to go with something not so cheap was at massage therapy school, we would do these. We start out in chair massage. Okay, we start out in chair massage, and that was our first kind of assignment to do these chair massages, but we had to adjust the headrest, and it was just so janky, and I was like, I'm not gonna get that for my clients. I'm not gonna go cheap and get something for $100, because once you get, it's like furniture, right? Once you get furniture, you're gonna have it forever. You might as well spend the money to get quality, right? Because it says so much about your practice. All right, so it's plastic, but it's heavy duty plastic. I mean, it's pretty sturdy, so I'm liking that already. And you can tell by the adjustments that it holds and it locks. So I'm already happy with that. That's pretty cool, right? Okay. So let's see. This Ergo Pro chair package in royal blue. Royal. All right. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it comes with this little setup guide, which of course I didn't read. Let's read this just for a second. It's a little guide right here. Okay. Let's see here. Unpacking, release. Okay, I'm supposed to release something. Release the frame. Release the frame. I'm glad they had instructions, because I'm not saying I'm that handy, but some things are obvious, right? Oh, okay, I'm gonna show you. There's a little hook right here. You see how light it is? And I was able to do that with no problem. All right. Oh yeah, I love it already. Okay, came with some protection right there at the bottom. Okay. Let's see. Okay, guess I should read a little bit more, right? In step 1. Okay, I released that cable. Step number 3, number 4, stand up the chair, unlocking the frame. Okay. It says unlocking the frame. All right, so let's see. I'm one of those people that like to do kind of like my own thing. I'm gonna see if that's what they mean. Unlocking. Ah, okay. Oh. Had the little silicone. Okay. So far, so good. Okay, there you go. Let's see. Oh, boom. Okay, so there's a lever over here. Right here. So it's looks like it's fully adjustable. So we're gonna put it right there. And let's see. Oh, there's another little release button right here for the chest. All right, we're cooking. With hot oil. So, okay, that's obvious, right? That's good. I love it so far. It's my first impression is it's very comfortable. Of course, we can adjust that. And let's see if it, I think it goes down. Let's see. Okay. I'll figure that out. But let's put the headrest on there, shall we? All right. Okay, so there's some holes right there. I'm gonna release that. There's two little screws right, two little buttons right here. So I'm just releasing that. I'm just going by wind. I'm just going by what I kind of know. Okay, let's see. Let's unscrew those a lot more. Okay. Yeah, okay. really didn't have to do that much reading on the instructions, which I like. So this is user friendly already, because I am not one for instructions. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. Let's see. Let's unrelease that. Oh yeah. This gives you like it gives you a plush. It gives you like a plush type of feel. This was worth the money, yeah. So, all right, guys, this is the Stronglite Ergo Pro 2. Retails. When I went online, it got even more expensive, so people might be just liking this. I haven't done any adjustments over here, but I know it's fully adjustable. This is the move that I saw on the video. The Chaz, what he did, he lifted this up like this. He lifted it up like this, and he was able to get to the toes. He said, you know, instead of having back issues, he literally had a chair in front here, so the person was able to stretch. And what I can tell you right now, look, it's super light. This holds its name, Stronglite. That's true. Stronglite holds up to 600 pounds. 6'6" individuals can get on here. And look, I can probably get it with one hand. Whoa. That's how light it is. So that's true. You can tell this is sturdy. You can tell this is quality. They say it's a T6 aluminum, so it's patented. And look, it just goes in there. Look, how wonderful this is. So when I give my corporate massages, people can go, ooh, this is nice. I think I'll do a 90-minute with her. That's what I wanted. I'm very pleased. I will definitely give you a review after I use it on someone. I will definitely do like an ASMR. But I think that this chair, just from initial unpackaging, I'm gonna give this an 8.5. Why? Because I haven't tried it out yet. But let me say, initial impressions, 9.5. The adjustability and the sturdiness that I see, this goes all the way up, all the way down, and you can tell it just locks in place. So this is adjustable. I know it probably goes up and down. So yeah, I would definitely consider getting this chair. It's beautiful. They have purple, cream, red. They had all the colors. So I like this one. This is a keeper right here. So until next time, please subscribe with bell notifications on. This is my first YouTube video. Everything else I pretty much transfer from IG. So this is my first YouTube video specifically for the people on my channel, Diana V. So stay tuned. Massage therapy student in 2022. If you're looking for a quality chair massage, because it starts there. This is my business card. If you have a business card, you don't want that one that says Vista Print on the back. You want a professional card. It's so impressive when you have quality equipment where people just melt in. And I haven't done any adjustments. I know this is all fully adjustable, but I'm not going to waste your time. other than the fact that letting you know that this is a beautiful thing, and it has Velcro all around here. So you can kind of just adjust it. So until next time, God bless you. I love you guys. I appreciate it. And see you later. Bye.